Wide body struggles. Let's hope we don't get doored. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel and to another vlog. I briefly touched on this on my Instagram, and I hate to start this vlog off like in a negative way. I was just going through like YouTube comments, reading nasty fucking comments from random people on my channel. A lot of them are about Bobby, a few like shitty ones about me. I'm not telling you guys this to like have you guys feel sorry or bad for me or whatever. The reason I want to tell you guys this is people are fucking dicks online. They're gonna be haters. There's gonna be assholes. And if you're trying to like get into the influencer world, influencer scene, have thick skin. If you don't have thick skin, that's just gonna fucking get to you. So just have thick skin, get through it. There's gonna be fucking dickheads. So I'm gonna go grab some Del Taco with my boy B. Like I said, I hate to start this vlog off negative, but yeah, just know that there's gonna be fucking haters. Today's gonna be a dope day. Today's gonna be a damn good day. I think we're going down to San Diego. And then, yeah, that GTR dude wants to meet up Andy. He wants to meet up again, so.
Yeah, you know.
No, you're not invited, bro.
I wanna buy a light setup so I can do night photos.
I need to buy a gimbal so I can create fire videos. And a new laptop. Just kidding. As you know, I'm kind of somewhat dieting. Like I'm trying to maintain my body weight as I'm here in LA because we're going to Hawaii like right when I get home. So nothing there really fits into my macros. I track all my food I eat, my carbs, fat, protein. It's called tracking your macros. Nothing there will fit my macros, so we're walking to Chick-fil-A. I know we just had it last night, but you literally cannot beat Chick-fil-A. They have chicken nuggets there that are grilled. It's like 30 grams of protein for 8 nuggets. It's like 1 fat and 0 carbs, so it worked out perfectly. Let's go. The next thing on today's agenda is to head to San Diego. We're just like halfway in between where we were staying, Orange and San Diego. We're gonna go meet up with Dustin Williams, actually. It's gonna be a damn good time. I feel like I say that a lot. Everything's just a damn good time to me, I suppose. One thing I did check on the car before we left is my tire wear from camber. And I did notice my rears are kind of getting down there, so I'm kind of worried about them. I do have my TPMS pulled up on my dash right there, so I can just monitor them. And an alarm goes off as well if they get low. Yeah, I definitely need to get those either replaced or flipped, so the wear's on the outside before I head back to Washington State. Let's head to San Diego. Let's see what's up with Dustin Williams. I think he's bringing one of his homie photographers as well. I forget. I think his name's Kevin. I want to say his name's Kevin. Yeah, let's go. Pulled into Oceanside. I think it's like a half-hour north of San Diego. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe so. Dustin's cars are so sick looking in person. Check out his Evo. Evo is so damn loud. Loud enough, bro? Damn. I'm moving here. Fuck LA. I'm sure you all know who Dustin Williams is and this car, but if you don't, here it is. It's a, what year is your car? 05 Evo 8. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. So aggressive. Anyways, we're done shooting Dustin's car. We're gonna go, what exactly we're doing? Swapping out his car for mine.
Grabbing your car, yeah.
We're gonna grab the FRS and we're all gonna go shoot that. And I think we're shooting Brandon's FRS. Yeah. Brandon's
my R32 wagon.
Yeah, it's R32 wagon. We're gonna go shoot that. Yeah, I think overall it went pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah.
I
got some dope fucking shots of him. Only on this road though. The other shit was like that.
You don't like that alleyway?
Just because it's a red car, super bright outside, and it's dark in that alleyway.
Makes sense.
This is the only good spot for photos.
Yeah. Yeah, this is such a nice area though, guys. Bobby and I really want to move to California somewhere. For those of you that don't know, Bobby is my girlfriend of like 3 years, but we were thinking LA, we were thinking San Diego. She really likes San Diego. This area though, it's called Oceanside. This area is so freaking, ooh, Evo. This area is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So this is the area we're gonna be shooting my FRS and Brandon's Legacy. Super nice area, a couple boats in the background, and then this way we have the sunset. Unfortunately, there's like an RV there in the way.
That's what I'm saying, we should have them face this way. We should shoot this way.
Kevin over here taking photos of the cars. I think Dustin's gonna do some filming. I'm assuming Brandon is gonna do some filming and photos as well. And then I'll just be doing my thing, vlogging. I'll probably throw on the 85mm lens here in a second and take some photos. Guys, all right, my dudes, that is gonna be the end of this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. Ooh, that sounds good. I'll see you in the next video.